This is the past and this is the present. And to bridge these two, we're gonna be using Amazing Uling. Now, just for the context, although Amazing Uling is made from 100% coconut shell charcoal, malinis siya kumpara sa traditional na uling, pero it is not as clean as tulad ng mga gasol o kaya mga Chilean, ganun. But this is really going to be really a test for this guy right here. It is from Red Chef. It is said to be a very high heat resistant and of course, yung pinagmamalaki nila na ceramic rock coating. So, tingnan natin kung gaano talaga siya katibay. Let's do this! Okay, so I think this side is good. Wala akong na-feel na kahit konting hint na dumikit siya. This particular set nga pala guys, it comes with isang kaserola na may takip. Yung takip niya is explosion-proof lid. Tapos isang saucepan. Tapos isang deep frying pan na may takip din. I think it cooks so good. So perfect na parang hindi totoo. Okay, I think we're done. And let's see the bottom side of this pan to see if okay ba siya. Last piece and then let's see. Tanggalin lang natin yung oil. Ito yung pinaka-bottom ni Red Chef. Not bad. I think isang punas lang yun. Napupunasan naman yan. So it's good. The quality is nice. Kita nyo naman yung dito na part is hindi talaga siya nadudumihan kahit na uling yung gamit natin. I think nagsaslide lang yung kung ano man yung nakakadumi sa mga ganitong lutuan.